Reusably is the go-to platform for companies wanting to manage their reusable packaging systems. Like, we make it easy for them to manage it so they can reduce their waste.
We also help them extend that supply chain out to their customers as well, so that everyday users can now participate in the circular economy.
From a business perspective, we're looking to help companies reduce their operational costs, manage these systems better, and just automate and simplify things. It's not about making your behaviour as a consumer harder or needing to change anything. It's like, how can we make this as convenient, as simple as possible, so you don't even need to think about reusing. It just is how the system is.
And we really want to make reusable something that is desirable for businesses and consumers, and remove that barrier and not see it as something that is more expensive, and make it not just good for the planet, but good for the bottom line of business as well. Reuse networks are so complex because it's not just one decision or one thing that you have to change. There are so many components that you need to figure out. That's where we come in. We're kind of the glue that pieces it all together. We saw a problem with single-use coffee cups. I mean, something like 1.8 billion disposable coffee cups that go to landfill in Australia alone, and kind of a little bit like a library book system. You could walk into a cafe and order your coffee and then borrow one of our reusable cups and then go away, drink it, and just return it to any participating location. And in doing that, we built a software to help manage that. We want to make it easier for people to do good, easier for businesses to do good. And when you remove some of the barriers, you make it easier for people to do those things every day and feel good about doing good.
Our goal is to make reuse the norm and make it simple for anyone. In doing that, it's just going to be a better life for all.